Hello! Pasilip sa aking kalawid. So, ayan yung living room lounge namin. So, ito yung magiging kitchen. So, ito yung stock room ko. And this is the dining area. Ayan. So, let's see here. Ito ang toilet. White and blue. Ito yung office room namin. Not finished yet. So, ito yung cover ng damitan ni Palalab. So, ayan yung cover niya. Ayan. Ito ang master bedroom. This one. So, hindi pa siya tapos. Ito yung magiging closet ko. Ayan. So, bummer. Hello, City. Say hello.